In this video, we're going to cover a simple way, yet very effective, to reset your Windows 11. If your computer is running slow or you're looking for a fresh start, resetting might be the answer for you. Before we jump into the resetting process, let's quickly make sure that you do a backup for your personal files. If the option gives you the way to keep the files or not, make sure always to keep backup of your personal files. To reset your Windows 11, follow these steps. Go to Command, select it as Administrator. Once the command prompt is open, simply type System Reset and hit Enter. A new window will pop up with two options. Keep my files. This option will reset your PC but keep your personal files. In this video, I tried both ways just for you to see what is the difference in case you want to keep the files or you don't want to keep the files. So the first way took me around 2 hours. Remove everything. This will completely wipe everything, including your personal files. Whether you choose option 1 or 2, always back up your files. Choose the option that best fits your needs, then go through this process. Follow the screen's options and confirm the choices. Then Windows 11 will begin resetting. In the first option, the factory reset, you can see all the application was removed, which is not installed with a laptop, but all my personal files still intact. The second options, as you can see, is a very clean system. It doesn't have any files in it, all application removed. So you're starting as a new system. The command was easy to use and just take a few steps. So you decide which one option you want to do. Based on that, you go ahead and do the process. Let me know if you have any question about this and we'll answer it in the comment below. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next one. Peace.